Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert EPUB to PDF. So first of all, we have this page11.epub example file, and we're going to see what this file is about. Now I'm going to open the file in my Calibre. So this file just has 3 lines of sentences, and that's just it. I didn't really put much effort, but it's a bona fide EPUB, and that's for sure. Now we want to turn this EPUB to PDF. So how we are going to do that, you might be asking yourself. And we're going to do that by going to this website, and I will link this website in the description too. So please feel free to check the description and go to the link. So after you have gone to the link, you'll be presented with this website, and now you have to click on select file. Then you have to select your EPUB, and then you have to click on convert. So it will depend upon your upload speed and the time the software actually takes time to convert it. So you can see, since we didn't really have anything in our EPUB anyway, it didn't take really that much time, and we can already see the result. And I'm going to download this, and you can see our page11.epub has turned into page11.pdf. And now we're going to open this, and you can see our EPUB has totally turned into a PDF, and you can now use this PDF to see the content without relying on softwares like Calibre. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.